Hi friends, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about nitrogen fixation, nitrogen cycle. In our last video, citric acid, one student requested to upload nitrogen cycle, nitrogen fixation. This is the most important chapter, nitrogen fixation. It will support to the growth of the plants. So that's why. So we'll discuss elaborately. Before going to discuss, subscribe our YouTube channel Nani Edu, press bell icon, give a like, comment and share the video, and whatever the chapter you need, put it in the comment box. So now we'll discuss about the nitrogen cycle. So the nitrogen which is found as a gaseous stage in the atmosphere is highest concentration, it is 79%, and it is essential constituents of proteins and chlorophyll which is found in the organism. Even though which is high amount is present the nitrogen, it is not directly taken by animals, plants from the atmosphere. There is the concentration of nitrogen which is made available, and if you use that nitrogen for the soil, so directly it increase the soil fertility. So the amount of the nitrogen which is fixed, it is usually estimated by Geldahl method. Even though several methods are there, Geldahl method is very important. There are four important key process of biogeochemical of nitrogen cycle. One is nitrogen fixation, the second one is ammonification, third one is nitrification, and fourth one is denitrification. So these are the key process, very important process. The first we will discuss about nitrogen fixation. It is a process that is conversion of gaseous form of nitrogen into combined form of ammonia or organic nitrogen by some bacteria, cyanobacteria, and free living as well as symbiotic organisms are involved. So these organisms are called disotrophic organisms, and the phenomena is called disotrophy. The next topic is ammonification. During organic matter decomposition, complex form of the organic nitrogen is converted into the inorganic form. So this process is called nitrogen mineralization. In this stage, ammonia or nitrate are developed, organic nitrogen disappears. So formation of ammonia from organic compound is called ammonification, and most of the soil which is found, the nitrogen is inorganic combination and chemical composition is difficult to understand. So however, few component which is present on the soil. So what are the microbes which is involved? So there are plenty of organisms conversion of ammonia from organic nitrogen compounds. Pseudomonas, Bacillus, Clostridium, Serratia, Micrococcus, fungi, Alternaria, Aspergillus, Mucor, Penicillium, Rhizobus and Actinomycetes. So these all organisms are involved. And nitrification, the process of oxidation of ammonium ion to nitrate ions. So this is subsequently to nitrate ion is known as nitrification. Here the ammonia is act as a starting point of nitrification. There are some nitrifying bacteria are important for conversion here. Nitric acid is formed from ammonia which drops the pH. So this affect changes in the concentration of soluble potassium phosphate, magnesium, iron, manganese, calcium. Nitrification is an example of aerobic respiration and appears to present a few autotrophic microorganisms. Some of the hemolithotrophs, it derive energy through these two processes of conversion of ammonia to nitrate and nitrate to nitrate. There are two important bacteria, nitrifying bacteria. One is bacteria oxidizing ammonia to nitrate, bacteria oxidizing nitrate to nitrate. So here the bacteria oxidizing ammonium to nitrate. So nitrifying bacteria are involved: Nitrosomonas, Nitrosococcus, Nitrosolobus, Nitrosospira, Nitrosovibrio. The ammonia is first converted as a hydroxylamine which is then changes in undefinite metabolites, and here the bacteria oxidizing nitrate to nitrate. This is the example of bacteria like Nitrobacter, Nitrospira, Nitrococcus. The most important nitrification is carried out by autotrophic bacteria. In sometimes heterotrophic bacteria and fungi also involved. Example is Nitrosomonas and Aspergillus flavus, which is important here. Denitrification, the nitrogen is converted into different form by the microorganisms. When nitrate is added to the soil, nitrogen, nitrous oxide, nitric acid are evolved after reduction of the nitrate. Microbial reduction of nitrate and nitrite which liberate molecule nitrogen and nitrous oxide. So denitrification is essentially a respiratory mechanism in which the nitrate replaces the molecular oxygen. So therefore denitrification may be termed as a nitrate respiration. So that is one of the important word. So the organisms are involved here. Pseudomonas, Bacillus, Paracoccus, Thiobacillus, denitrifications, Corynebacterium, Serratia. The denitrifying bacteria abundant in the aerobic field like Hemolithotrophs, Thiobacillus, denitrificants, Paracoccus denitrificants. So these are capable of convert of the nitrate to nitrate. There are three microbial reactions are present. The first one is a complete reduction of ammonia. The second, an incomplete reduction of accumulation of nitrate. The third, a reduction of to nitrate followed by the evaluation of the gas, that is called denitrification. These are the important three steps. Two kinds of nitrogen fixing bacteria are recognized. The first kind, the free living non-symbiotic bacteria, which include Acinetobacter. The second kind, it is the mutually symbiotic bacteria. Example, Rhizobium, that is leguminous plant attached with the leguminous plants, that is Azospirillum species also associated. So it is very important. So how the nitrogen fixing organisms are applied in the field, that is kg per hectare. Rhizobium, Acinetobacter, Azospirillum, Azolla, phosphate solubilizing bacteria. So these all put it in the agriculture land for cultivation. And this is very important cycle we given here. It is very easy way. So how the mineralization is obtained, then how ammonification is obtained. So you can get it all those things from this diagram. And thank you so much for watching our video. Nani EDU. If you are not subscribed, go for subscription and share. If you want any subject, put it in the comment box. Nandri, Vanakkam, thank you.
Nani EDU.